Hi friends, myself Anay, young scientist, and in this video we are going to make a Bluetooth speaker. So let's make it. For making this Bluetooth speaker, we need some electronic components like Bluetooth model, amplifier, speaker, two wire clips and charger. So let's make it. So friends, first I have taken a Bluetooth model. Our Bluetooth model have 5 terminals like plus, minus, VCC, GND and right. Our amplifier also have 5 terminals plus, minus, VCC, GND and right, and 2 outputs. So first I have taken one Bluetooth model. This is our plus and minus. This is our VCC, GND and right. This VCC, GND and right I have connected with amplifier VCC, GND and right. You can see. And this is our plus and minus connection. I have connect with amplifier plus and minus and connect with this charger point. And this is our amplifier output that I have connected with this 5 OHM speaker. You can see, and you can see circuit diagram. For your understanding, I have made a circuit diagram. As you have all seen the circuit diagram, I have given all circuits. So let's try this. And I have taken 2 wire clips. If you want to on with battery, so you can take these 2 wire clips. Red is plus and black is minus. So you can connect this with this charger point. So friends, I have connected this wire clips and I have connected this speaker. So let's try this. Friends, now I have attached this wire clips, but now I am starting this speaker with this charger. It means it is on. Now I am starting my Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is started and Anay BD device is connected. It means our Bluetooth is connected. So friends, you can see it is full volume. You can see it's full volume. Yes, with it like this. And when you off this, of your Bluetooth, it may sound like this. So if you like my video, so please subscribe Anay youngscientist. Thank you.